continuing with semester test 2. So we're gonna do question 2. So in question 2, again, same procedure that we're gonna follow. Basically, analyzing the part, see what method we want to use, and then just draw a few things and make sure that when you draw the sketches, that the sketch is fully defined without any auto dimensions, making sure that you define or specify the dimensions as it's indicated on the sketch. In this case, we have to model a tank. Again, we'll consider this as being the front view, and then we'll basically draw from this end, that would be our origin, drawing half of the tank, basically this half, drawing half of the tank, revolving it, and then of course using the shell feature to basically give us a wall thickness of 4. So if we head over to NX, file new, let's make this question 2. Okay, so again, sketching on a plane to indicate our front plane, using our sketch tool. Just draw a rough just draw a rough sketch. Okay. Okay, so that's our rough sketch. Again, using a few auto constraints, having a look at the dimensions here. Okay, there we go. Just basically making everything but neat. Okay. See, so A is specified, B is 3704. Okay. From there to there, there's a dimension here, there's a dimension there, there's a dimension there, there's a dimension specified there. Okay, so this is just another way of modeling everything. We'll just see the two differences when you draw just certain sections or draw the whole sketch. So now we need to go and put in some of the dimensions. This is 20, 25, this is 92.5, that is 92.5. Okay, this is A divided by 2, which is 365 divided by 2. Okay, same here, 365 divided by 2, and then this dimension is wrongly specified. It's specified from this point to that point. Okay, and then this should be close, so delete. Okay, should be 407. bring everything into focus. Just make everything a bit neat. Everything a bit neat. Okay, again, the sketch is fully constrained without any auto dimensions. Now there's a few things that I want to just shed some light on, which is the following. This is a simple sketch, so you can already put in the sketch fillets with those radius, or you can basically put it in afterwards with edge blends and so on. So we'll have we can put in a sketch fillet there, or we can put it in afterwards with things. So in this case, I'm just going to put in some sketch fillets. Should be from there to there, and it should be 45. Enter. And there to there, 45. From there, that should be 12. Okay, something went wrong here. Just undo, Control Z. Just specify it a bit better. 12. There we go. Out. Again, just do everything a bit neat. The dimensions is as specified on the sketch, and so on and so on. Right? Just put everything in. So we have our basic shape. Now what some people would do is they would try and basically like offset these entities and then revolve that sketch. That can also work, but in this case I just want to show that doing it with the edge blend is with a shell feature is much simpler. Okay, so then we can just say revolve. So the cursor drag, when specifying the vector, you can either select it from here, but then you'll have to specify another point around which that revolve must be made. So what I basically want to do is I want to go and specify, just revolve, specify this vector. Okay, you can use the line as well. If you use the line, same thing, then you don't have to go and specify a point. Apply it. Okay, so now when we have a look at a section view, okay, let's just use another view. You'll see that it's still, we want to hollow it out, so just that, home, making use of the shell feature, remove faces, that face, thickness should be 4, apply. Okay, going back to view, clip section, you can see that the tank is hollowed out. Now we just need to go and specify the material, tools, materials, assign material. Material is that material, the body, apply. Again, going to properties, checking the properties. There we'll see that the material is assigned. We can just update the fit. Okay. And that's